hours on the clock, my eyes were shut tight. But I rise in the morning and nothing feels right. Why am I weary when sleep kissed my skin? Why does the day feel heavy before it begins? Sometimes sleep looks like rest, but isn't. We think 8 hours is enough, but the truth, sleep is not just about hours. It's about cycles. Science tells us our night is stitched together by 90-minute sleep cycles. Light sleep, deep sleep, REM, each one carries its own kind of healing. If the cycle breaks, the body forgets, and morning feels heavy, filled with regrets. Have you ever woken up groggy, even though you slept enough? That's called sleep inertia. Waking in the middle of deep sleep leaves the brain foggy, like being pulled out of water before you could reach the surface. Inside you there's a clock, not on your wall, not on your phone, but in your brain. It's called the circadian rhythm, your natural sleep-wake cycle. It runs on sunlight, but in today's world, blue screens glow brighter than sunsets. Scrolling at midnight tricks the brain into thinking it's still day. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, waits at the door, but never gets let in. My body whispers rest, but my phone keeps saying more. So morning feels unfinished, like a dream I can't restore. And then there's stress. When your mind races, your body floods with cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol is meant to wake you in the morning, not haunt your nights. So even when you sleep, your mind is busy running marathons. We live in conversations, planning, worrying, replaying. The body lies in silence, but the mind is wide awake. It dreams of unfinished battles, of promises it couldn't make. But sometimes, tiredness isn't about sleep at all. It's about burnout, the quiet exhaustion of carrying too much for too long. Work, expectations, relationships, even joy can feel heavy when you're stretched too thin. Psychologists call it mental fatigue. Your brain isn't short on sleep, it's short on recovery. Even 8 hours can't heal the scars when your spirit's tired from fighting wars. The bed gives rest, but not repair, if the heart still trembles with heavy air. So why do you feel tired even after sleeping? Because rest isn't just closing your eyes. It's about cycles, it's about balance, it's about healing both body and mind. So tonight, dim the lights early, and remember, healing isn't found only in hours of sleep, but in the quality of rest and the peace of your mind.